Good morning guys! Welcome back to my vlogs! That's my first time na sinabi ko yan. Welcome back to my vlog! It is now Wednesday and I'm getting ready katapos ko lang maligo because I will be doing another first impression review. Ito yung Dream Matte Mousse from Maybelline and yeah, kailangan ko lang ilagay ang aking contacts. I started using this again. This is the contacts cleaner na ginagamit ko noon pa nung nasa ibang bansa pa ako. So what you do is you have this thing right here where you put your contacts and then ito yung solution niya. Meron siyang hydrogen, 3% lang na hydrogen peroxide. So ilalagay mo siya dito tapos mag-neutralize siya. Kailangan mo siyang i-stay dito 6 hours minimum. Yeah, 6 hours minimum. Tapos malilinis na niya automatically yung contacts. As in, super ganda nito. I haven't seen this here in the Philippines though. So, I'm not sure. Konti na lang natira, mga dito na lang ata. But yeah, gusto ko lang siyang ubusin. Kaya ginamit ko siya ulit. Tagal ko na din hindi ito nagamit. So, ganyan na. And then, ready to wear na to. So, yeah. Ang ganda nito kasi sobrang linis talaga ng contacts mo. Like, you don't need to rub it. Like, you know, ilalagay mo lang siya dyan and then malilinis na siya ng bonggang-bongga. And then, yun. For those who are wondering pala, yung contacts na gamit ko yung hindi ko na matandaan yung brand. Basta from ano to, from EO, Executive Optical, yung may turtle na logo. Yung may turtle sa ano niya, box niya. Hindi ko na matandaan yung brand, basta yun yun. Tapos so ito, itatapon mo na, tapos ready for next use na naman. And then, I'm just gonna fill in my brows. And then, review na ako. Naglagay na ako ng moisturizer ko, itong eye white. And yeah, brows lang. Tapos, ready for review na. Malapit na mag-11, mga 10:30 na ata. I will be using my Intuit eyebrow powder. Katatapos lang ng intro ko ng review and look at my mess. Yes. Konti lang. It's not really like a mess. Yeah. But yeah, I reviewed the Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse of Foundation. It's not gonna be up very soon kasi marami pa akong videos na kailangan ko pang i-edit and kailangan ko pang i-upload, which is good. That means I will have like, you know, videos regularly. Nagfo-full na yung lapi ko. So I am searching sa Google kung ano yung mga pwede kong i-delete, yung mga safe na i-delete sa Windows folder ko kasi sobrang malapit na siya mapuno. Sabi niya kanina, puno na siya. Hindi na siya makapag-transfer ng flies. So yun, nag-delete ako ng mga iba. Hindi ko alam kung safe yung dinelete ko, pero may mga na-delete ako. And gusto ko i-delete lahat. Kaya lang, natakot ako. Baka wala na itong computer ko. So yeah, I'm searching right now. What can I safely delete from my Windows folder? Sana marami akong safe na ma-delete para ma-delete ko na siya ng bonggang-bongga.
Ni Kering. Tatawaan ako. Kering king 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 king. Kering king king king. Kering king 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 king. Kering king king.
Ay, sakit, Ken?
Nambalan na lang.
Hindi pa sakit?
Ay, udas. Saan naman kati, eh? Nagkapogs basta na. Magaga. Tayo. Ano mo, ting warriors kining buwang. Baho na ko kaya kwarto. Ayawa lang baho. Hubot na akong kwarto. Natawa nito.
Kaluod ni mo gilay.
Igda nito na yung mga town hall. Na yung mga puti-puti dito, te. Agi sa down here.
Hi guys! Maliligo ako and I will be using for the first time yung Brazilian argan oil. Ito, gagamitin ko siya later. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya gamitin but I'm just gonna use it as a regular conditioner. Yeah, and then itong papaya scrub, I'm so excited. I'm going to use it today. This one smells delicious, so I'm excited. These are from YCSkincare, and I will leave the link down below. Sana magustuhan ko. I'm pretty sure magugustuhan ko yung scrub kasi I love scrubs. Oops. And yeah, so yeah, maliligo na ako. Hi guys! Kanina pa ako tapos maligo. Sobrang dry na ng buhok ko and maganda siya sa buhok. Yung binigay sa akin ni Sis Yan na Keratin hair treatment. Ang ganda niya. Ginamit ko lang siya as conditioner. Yeah, and it's good. Hindi ako naglagay ng Clariel kasi gusto ko siyang itry nang siya lang. And yeah, it's good. It's not that yung amoy niya hindi ganun ka kasi mabango siya sa kasi mabango yung product parang kisses, pero hindi na yun ganun, hindi na ganun yung bango niya sa buhok. Parang wala lang. Yeah, but yeah, it's good. I like my hair. And then the scrub. Oh my gosh, I love the scrub, you guys. Oil-based kasi yung scrub. So, pagkatapos kong i-scrub yung body ko, parang nagiging oily yung skin ko. Like, 'di ba kapag yung tubig, 'di ba yung tubig hindi naman nagme-mix sa oil. Parang yeah, ganun siya. I wasn't really comfortable at first na parang gusto kong sabunan ulit yung body ko. Kaya lang gusto ko talaga siyang i-try. So, 'yun, tinapos ko na siya kasi scrub yung last step ng pagligo ko. Tapos hindi na ako nagsabon ulit. Hinayaan ko na lang just to try it. And it's good. Alam nyo ba, hindi ako nag-lotion. I apply lotion every single day, you guys, after ko mag-shower. Pero kanina hindi ako nag-apply ng lotion kasi sobrang smooth ng skin ko. As in, walang paano ko ba ito mapapakita sa inyo? Basta, sobrang smooth ng skin ko. I'm not sure if you can see. Pero as in, sobrang moisturizing niya sa skin. As in, gustong-gusto ko yung scrub. I took my shower, 4 hours ago. And yeah, super moisturized pa rin ang skin ko. Pero kung hindi kayo comfortable sa yung parang nagiging oily yung skin nyo pagkatapos nyo maligo, siguro hindi nyo siya magugustuhan. At first, akala ko parang hindi ko to magugustuhan kasi nagiging oily nga siya. Parang feeling ko hindi pa ako tapos maligo kapag oily yung skin ko. Alam mo yung ibig sabihin? Kapag parang masabon pa, pero hindi naman siya masabon na feeling. Parang kasi oil nga kasi siya. So, hindi siya nagme-mix sa water ng bonggang-bongga. Pero pagkatapos mong i-wipe ng towel, as in sobrang moisturized ng skin, I actually really like it. I'm gonna continue using it. And yeah, siguro mga 1 week lang sa akin yun. Kasi nag-scrub ako everyday And I love scrubs. So, yeah, I'm excited. It's so nice. And hindi na ako maglo-lotion kasi sobrang soft na ng skin ko. Hindi na talaga kailangan ng lotion. Bonggang-bongga. Hindi siya malagkit din. So, it's really good. Thank you so much, Sis Yan. I will leave the link down below of YCSkincare. I'm not sure sa price pa tatanungin ko pa siya sa price. But yeah, it's really nice. Thank you! Good morning, guys! It is, Friday. I'm having my breakfast. I have rice, eggs, 2 eggs. Tapos, I'm trying this creamy white. Kasi sabi ni Daniel at saka ni Catherine, masarap daw to. So, we'll see. I usually drink the brown and creamy. I really like that one. So, we'll see if I will like this one. In fairness, masarap yung creamy white. Creamy siya. Kaya lang, matamis. Parang sobrang tamis siya. Ooh, orange. Hey, uminom ako ng BioFit kagabi. Tapos, ngayon, kailangan ko mag number 2. Sorry sa mga kumakain. Bye! Hi guys! It is Saturday kasi 1 na ng umaga. Hindi pa ako natutulog kasi I'm watching YouTube videos. Tapos I'm eating otap. May otap ba sa Manila? Hindi ko alam. I think it's just, I'm not sure kung sa Cebu lang siya. Pero it's one of my favorite snacks. Especially kapag ganito. Kapag medyo sunog siya. Hindi naman sobrang sunog pero basta bet ko yung mga ganyan. Parang sunog. Anyway, nagutom ako. So, kumain ako. And then, oh yeah, may share ko sa kanyo. As in, nagustuhan ko talaga yung scrub na sinend sa akin ni Sis Yan from YCSkincare. As in, guys, hindi mo na talaga kailangan mag-lotion. So, it's perfect for those people with dry skin. As in, look at that. Sobrang hindi ko na kailangan mag-lotion. And I apply lotion every single day. Kasi kapag hindi ako nag-apply ng lotion, may mga marks kapag ginaganyan-ganyan ko. Ito wala talaga. Hindi ako nag-lotion at all. It's really good. It's really moisturizing. I'm so loving it. I'm just gonna continue eating my otap while watching YouTube videos. And then I don't have water. So I need to get water downstairs. Let me get water. Good morning, guys! Saturday na. Yes, it's Saturday. Ayusin ko lang yung vanity wa kasi look. Sobrang messy na. See, dumadami na kasi sila, char bonggang-bongga. But, yeah. Ano na nga pala ako. May makeup collection plus vanity tour video. I will leave the link down below if you haven't seen that. Pero yeah, ayusin ko lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Hagad ng mukha ko. Nag-tea ako kagabi. Pero hindi ako magti-tea ngayong gabi kasi aalis kami bukas. Sana matuloy na kasi hindi natutuloy yung mga lakad namin. First, wala akong sasakyan. Pero hihiraman namin yung kay Papa. So, wala mo ng auto-auto. Ngayon magmumulticab kami bukas. Hindi ko papalitan yung nails ko muna kasi tingnan nyo guys, bonggang-bongga, hindi siya nag-chip. Oh, kailangan ko yung top coat. I-add ko sa list ko yung top coat. Yes. So, look at my nails. Really good still. My clear nose review is already up. Kaka-publish niya lang kanina. So, link will be down below if you haven't checked that one out. But, oh yeah, I need to clean my brushes. I need to clean my brushes. Sobrang tagal na hindi ko pa nalilinis yung brushes ko. I will use the brush egg that Prettyangelshoppe sent me. Good. Okay. Kailangan ko na siyang linisan ngayon na. So, I'm just gonna pick all my dirty brushes. Actually, lahat sila dirty. Okay, lahat na lang. Ay, naku. Okay, so ito yung before. Ayusin ko yan and I'll show you guys later. This is the best I can do. Hindi siya ganun ko-organized tignan, but that's the best I can do. So, wow! And then, yung brushes ko, kailangan ko linisan. Binalik ko sila kasi ang gulo dito. But yeah, I need to linis that today. Today. It's time to clean the brushes. I'm gonna take all of these and clean. Ito lang. Ito, hindi ko pa nagamit to eh. Pero, you know what? I'll clean it. Okay. And may nalaglag na isa there. And then, ito lahat. Madami-dami na din kayo, ha? Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Na, kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan. And then this. And then, I'm also just gonna clean this. Actually, nagamit ko pa ito 2 beses lang. But I'm just gonna clean it as well. That. And then this one as well. From Prettyangelshoppe. Okay. I'm gonna take a picture first. Okay, I'm ready na. I have my dirty brushes right here. Yung brush egg ko. And then dito ko ilalagay yung mga nalinis ko na. And then, gagamitin ko regular na shampoo lang. Itong Dove na shampoo. Kasi hindi ako gumagamit ng shampoo sa buhok ko. So, gagamitin ko na lang siya sa brushes ko. Ito yung scrub na sinasabi ko sa inyo na sobrang ganda kasi napaka-moisturizing. Gusto ko sana sundin yung kay Jaja na may olive oil. Nakalimutan ko na kailangan ko yung panoorin ulit. Kaya lang wala akong olive oil. So, yeah, meron kami vegetable oil lang. Okay lang yan. Shampoo na muna ngayon. And yeah, let's start. Tapos na! Dito ko sila nilagay sa kwarto para walang alikabok. And napakaganda ng brush egg, you guys. This is actually my first time using it to like all my brushes. And sobrang nakakalinis talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. As in, this is really good. Kasi may mga ridges siya. Nakakatulong talaga ng bongga! Hi guys! Gabi na, mga 11:30 na ata. Basta banana split na eh. Ang ganda na ng PBB. Nakakakilig si Miho at saka si Tommy. So yeah, I will just start transferring the files from my phone to my lappy para ma-save ko na siya and ma-start ko na siyang i-edit. Good morning guys! It is Sunday and aalis kami. So wakas matutuloy na rin. Kailangan kong pumunta ng SM. And yeah, okay. Let me show you guys my outfit. On my face first, I have the Color Show lipstick in the shade Plum Perfect. And then my usual everyday makeup look. And then, for my outfit, I'm wearing this flannel that I got from American Eagle. This romper that I forgot. Gaisano, I believe. And then this purse that I don't know where I got. Thrifted, I think. Usual rings, bracelet, and then I'm wearing my R necklace from Macy's. So yeah, that's it. Let's go. It's Monday and I just woke up. Actually, I woke up 30 minutes ago. Mga 10:30 na ata ngayon. I got mirror yesterday. It's $199.75 and it looks like this. I will i-ano ko to mamaya, pero mamaya na. I will get breakfast first. Oh, I also got a top coat. This is from Chic. Ano ba yung lamok na yan? Shoot. Anyway, I will get breakfast. Oh, I bought flip-flops as well kasi wala lang, hindi sana ako bibili pero look, I got one. Ewan ko ba, sana hindi po kainin ng mga aso namin. Lagi kasing kinakain, nakakaloka. Lamok. I will have my breakfast. I have my coffee, brown and creamy as usual, otap, and then I will try otap with the laughing cow na cream cheese. Dito talaga yung Vernon, ginamit ni Mama. She loves it. But yeah, I will try this. I also got this yesterday. Money Gold. This is so good. And yeah, we also got those wraps yesterday. Into the pocket of your ripped jeans. Na 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 na, you hold me. Na 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 na. Waiting for me to come home. Oh, okay. It looks like that. I wasn't expecting that at all. Okay. I'll see. I'm just gonna pick one and try one. Yum! Ano pa ba magandang i-partner sa cream cheese? Kasi yung napanood ko kay Say, toasted bread. And this is the closest to toasted bread that I have right now. Tapos yung napanood ko naman kay Debbie, puto, and hindi ako mahilig sa puto eh. Let me know down below kung ano yung mga masarap i-partner sa cream cheese. Papalitan ko na yung brown, itong gray. Oh yes! Hindi ko alam kung malalabhan to, kasi look at the back. Parang ganyan yung likod niya. Hindi siya tela. Pero I like the gray. I actually like the brown as well. Pero ang gusto ko talagang color ng mga accessories ng bahay namin ay gray. So that's one. And then I will replace mine as well. Tapos may isang hindi nagmamatch. So i-replace ko din yan. And dyan, para sa aking room. Uy, maganda siya kasi meron siyang grip. And then you. Sa aking CR. Oh yeah, kailangan ko palang maglinis. Meron talaga siyang grip, bongga. Oh yes! Look at that! Okay na. I will... i-assemble natin tong aking mirror. Assemble natin siya ng bonggang-bongga. So, nabili ko to sa SM 200 pesos. And ito yung pinakamura dun eh. Ayoko naman bumili ng sobrang mahal na mirror. Though ang gaganda ng ibang mirror dun. Kaya lang ayoko mag-spend ng sobrang mahal. Kasi gusto ko lang naman ilagay ko dito. Para may extra mirror lang ako for close-ups. Ano ba i-touch? Nope. Okay. Sabi ko nga, kailangan itong tanggalin. Tapos, connect mo siya dyan. And then, yan. O, diba? Pwede na ako mag-carpenter. Pwede na talaga. Okay na. Yan. O, diba? Asa na kayo? Diyan kayo, oh. There. Okay, now natapos na yon. Maglilinis ako ng bahay. Well, hindi bahay. Itong area lang na to. Kwarto ko, kwarto ni Marlon. Tapos ka na nalinisin yung CR. So, yeah. And yeah, ang vanity ko, sobrang alikabok na naman. Hindi ko alam talaga kung saan galing yung alikabok, guys. Close naman lahat. Sobrang maalikabok. Nakakaloka. Yung mirror ko, ewan ko ba, lagi ko itong pinupunasan. Like, once every 2 days. Pero, ngayon, oh my gosh, sobrang daming alikabok. I will go linis na, tapos later magsha-shoutout ako kasi I posted on Facebook kung sino magpapa-shoutout because I will close my vlog today. And then, yeah. And paint by nails as well. Ito talaga nag-trip ng bonggang-bongga. Kasi kahapon, tinatanggal ko yung mga price tag na nakadikit sa ilang mga pinamili namin. And yeah, ito yung gamit na gamit. So, super cheap na siya, but the others are still looking really good. So, magsisimula na ako maglagay ng top coat. That's why I got this top coat from Chic. I'm not sure if that works great though. I haven't really tried that before, but we'll see. And yeah, I will go linis na talaga. Final na, bye. Kinuha ko na rin lahat ng brushes ko kasi diba nasa room ko to nakalagay and ayoko namang maglinis and mag-cause ng alikabok. Tuyo na lahat. So, okay na. Tapos na! Ngayon, final na talaga. Maglilinis na talaga ako, guys. Bye. Okay, so I'm ready for the shoutout na I posted on Facebook kung sino magpapa-shoutout mga few minutes ago. And then, I got quite a lot of you guys. So, I will start. I-shoutout ko muna first yung mga nagpa-shoutout last week na hindi nakahabol kasi na-close ko na yung vlog ko. So, from my post last week, hi to Angelica Costales. By the way, guys, your last names though, super nice. Ang gaganda ng mga last names nyo. Anyway, Angelica Costales, Mylene Remiliano, Darlene Lazaro Labor... Oh my God. Oh shit. Hindi ko maintindihan ang sarili kong penmanship, so I need to check again on my phone. Dang! Okay, ano pala? Darlene Lazaro Laborque, Jessa Dalion, Donna Michelle, Steve Marel, Mary Joyce Surya, I like that last name, CJ DC, Pauline Tandok, Agbolos, Hannah Esor, Jester Bagaypo Erna, Oli B. And then, sa post ko na pinost ko ngayon lang, si Christina Plyra, hi again to you, Angie Herbias Nonato, Jeza Morado and her husband, hi, Cara Vera and her boyfriend Leo, Janelle Baloria Tagaro, Alresa Loyola, Erica Vagay, Megs Villaver Valdez, Jen Hermosura, Raina De Vera, I am Steffi, Moneth Paredes Amposta, Vanessa hindi ko maintindihan ang aking penmanship, you guys. Vanessa Nemloville, I hope I got that right. Hazel Joy Baluyot, Abby Manalang, Joyce Imperial, Christine Joyce Vergara, Janine Monterola, Lori Morante, Marie Jana Mijares Aurelio, wow. Jen Eugenio, Monica Balauro, Gianna Diestro, Camille Aranzaso Pedronia, Lucille Cas, pinahirapan mo ako na. Maria Paula Maliga Lozano, Ellen Pare, hi Pare, Perfecta Magdamag, si Ian Dexter Del Rosario, pinapa-shoutout niya yung wife niya. Napaka-sweet, no? Hi, Jam Jam Del Rosario. And last is KD Montenegro. Yes, that's it for this week's shoutout. Yung mga hahabol sa post na yun, I will mention you on my next vlog na, okay? So, yeah, next time, ipopost ko siya a day before ko i-close yung vlog para mention ko lahat. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for following me on Facebook. And thank you so much sa mga nagpapa-shoutout. Ang dami, ah. Oh, meron pa palang isa, wait. Merong isa, nagpapa-shoutouts siya, nasa message ko eh. So, I'll check that and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, sa private message naman sa Facebook, Shara May Strong Travero, hi. And Zel Cortez, hi. And also si Ann Lorian Arceo. Si Ann Lorian, meron siyang YouTube channel. I will leave the link down below. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Salamat sa walang sawang panonood. You guys are the best. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!